Okay. All right. Moonwalk. Neil Armstrong was an astronaut. He made history on July 20th, 1969. He was the first man to walk on the moon. When he stepped on the moon, he said, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." Millions of people were watching this amazing event on TV. It was an awesome thing to look up at the moon that night and know that a man was walking around on it. For years, people had wondered if there would be moon creatures living there, but the only things Armstrong found were moon rocks and moon dust. All right, draw a line connecting the correct star words that tell the main idea of the story. Begin at Earth. Some star words will not be used. All right, now Rose has already done this, so you can sort of see the answer, but we start on Earth. And our first thing is Neil. And Neil's name is Neil Armstrong. So Armstrong needs to go to the first. So Neil to Armstrong. Now, we want to find out about Neil Armstrong and what the main idea of the story is. So, Neil Armstrong. Now, we need a verb. Can he be an uncle? Can you do an uncle? No. River? No. Was. So, Neil Armstrong was. What was Neil Armstrong? So, it says Neil Armstrong was an astronaut, but it also, he was the first man to walk on the moon. So, Neil Armstrong was the first man to walk on the moon. All right, I hope that helps. But yeah, you just need to look for the main idea. And the main idea was he was the first... I'm going, where's my pencil? So, he was the first man to walk on the moon. And the he is Neil Armstrong. So you should have Neil Armstrong was the first man to walk on the moon.